How to set up TikTok ads account and business center. So hi guys, the first thing that we need to do is to open our TikTok account or tiktok.com/business. Okay, so how is this different from our typical um, TikTok account? As we all know, in our personal TikTok accounts, we can actually create contents or anything. Post a video of ourselves dancing, singing, or whatnot. But here for TikTok business, this actually specializes or is a public profile that allows brands and businesses to use marketing tools to build a cohesive marketing strategies on TikTok. So basically, you can still create contents and you can still engage with consumers this time. And TikTok is a very good way to market your brand since a lot of users has been using this social media platform. Now, let's get started. So, in order for you to create a TikTok ads account, all you need to do is to click on create now. Okay. Now, once you would click on create now, you would be routed to this page, which is our sign up option. All right. So I have already actually signed up for this one. So in here, you can see two options, which is our simplified mode and custom mode. By the way, guys, just a very brief overview for our sign up. All you need to do for the sign up is actually verify your email, input your password, and that's about it. And you will be routed to this page basically. Okay, now here for our ads manager, you are just going to choose which mode fits you best. So for example, the simplified mode, a simplified experience so you can spend less time creating and managing campaigns and get back to running your business. Basically, this is for people who do not have much time to manage their social media businesses or platforms. Okay, next is your custom mode. So get the full control experience that's perfect for all advertising objectives, such as app installs and conversions. So basically, in the custom mode, you would be able to have the full control of your um, contents. So as for me, I would be using custom mode because I want to get the full control and experience on my TikTok ad. All right. Next is for your campaign. This is our first step. So we are going to choose an advertising objective. So we have three parts in here. First is our awareness. For awareness, we have reach. So if you want to show your ad to the maximum number of people, next is your consideration. So this is for under consideration, we have traffic, video views, lead generation, community interaction. So for traffic, send more people to a destination on your website or app. Next is for your video views, get more views and engagements for your video ads. Next, for your lead generation, collect leads for your business or brand. And lastly, for community interaction, get more followers or profile visits. Next, for conversion, we have app promotion and website conversion. For app promotion, these are for people who do have apps or who wants other people or TikTok users to install their apps or engage with their application. Next is for website conversion. It drive valuable action on your website. All right, so here we can actually only pick one advertising objective. And as for me, I would be clicking on lead generation. All right. Next, here we have our settings. So for our settings option, we have our campaign name here. So you can actually edit that one. So example, we have Moonstar leads here. Now here we can also create some split, campaign budget optimization, and set campaign budget. And let's click on continue afterwards. Okay, next is for the ad group name. You can actually edit on that one out. Next is the placement section. Here on our advanced settings, we can see that user comment. So we recommend keeping user comments on to help ads achieve more impressions and conversions. All right. But if you don't want to, you know, use this one, you can just untick this one or slide that off or turn it off. Okay. Next is for video downloads. You can let people download your video and also let other people share your video as well. Okay, next is for creative type. So automated creative optimization. So create multiple combinations of creative assets, including videos and ad text. Ad delivery will be automated to show your audience the combination that can maximize your result. So if you want to turn this on, simply open the box and that's about it. All right, next. So next is your targeting. So there are two types of your target mode, the custom targeting and automatic targeting. So for our custom targeting, it manually set criteria for what kind of user you want to show your ads to. And for our automatic targeting, we optimize targeting based on your objective, creative, and performance. Ads will not be delivered to audiences under 18. So here, um, we can manually set criteria, but if you want something faster, you can actually go for automatic targeting. All right. So next for the location, so set your location, which countries you would like the people to engage on your contents or view. All right. So for example, we have Philippines, Malaysia, Kuwait, Indonesia, and the likes. All right. So let's just stick to this one. For languages, you can select all or you can actually tick on the boxes that you would like to have your language on. Okay, now the next step is our budget and schedule. Here for our budget, we have a daily budget and our lifetime budget. So here, I'll choose daily budget, and for my daily budget, I have 1,500 pesos. Okay, now for schedule, you can run ad group continuously after the scheduled start time. So here you can actually edit out your time, which you would like to schedule your ad group. Okay, and you could also run ad group within a date time range. So day parting here we can have all day or at a specific time. Next, for bidding and optimization, we have leads our as our optimization goal basically as I have input it in there, and you can actually add a bid strategy and how much it would cost. So let's have lowest cost here. Okay. All right. So once everything's good, click on next. So the last part would be our ad section. So for our ad section here, we can actually add have our ad name. Okay. Next for our identity, use TikTok account to spark ads. So you can just simply click on this one if you want to turn it on, or you could also link your TikTok account basically. Okay. Next is to have ad details. Now you can input your TikTok post in here and customize the destination page. So by checking this box, you agree for the ad and the associated performance metrics of the campaign to be displayed in the TikTok for Business Creative Centers. So if you agree, just tick on the box there. Okay. Now the next part is our instant form. So select up to three forms and we'll automatically show them to the right audience. So if you click on create, simply you can see or this page right here will pop out and there you have it. Just click on confirm if you have chosen an instant page for your TikTok Business Center. Okay, next page or our next part here is our tracking. So for tracking, this is actually optional. If you do have TikTok events or website events or app events, then you can actually add this one out. You could also have third-party track settings. So there you have it. So if you agree to everything, just click or tick on this box and click on submit. Okay, so that's about it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for